The president of US, President Donald Trump, has just ordered for the release of all the documents related to the UFO. Now I got a question for you. Do you believe they are UFOs? Do they exist? Or is this some kind of distractions? Anyways, we are all in anticipation. We are waiting for the release of the UFO documents. Has this been a top secret for several years? Did they really exist? Did they come to the earth? We are going to be finding out pretty soon. And stay tuned on Now You Can TV, because I'm going to be talking about it. I'm going to be telling you every single details. Until then, I'll talk to you soon. Ciao.